Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. I know that I just went to Twitter and Roblox status, it says 22 minutes ago, Roblox players are reporting the Roblox chat to be not working. A system message pops up saying that the chat filter is experiencing issues. We will keep you updated as the outage goes on. And also, if you scroll down 18 minutes ago, players are also reporting the Roblox search to be not working. Every search made will result in no matches being available. Roblox has no officially acknowledge this issue as of now, but as you can see guys, you are not the only one who has problems with Roblox right now, so you don't have to worry about this. You are not the only one. They will fix this as soon as possible. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do. You should try to restart your phone, reinstall the app, log out, log in again. And if it's still not working, like I said, you are not the only one. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with Roblox right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your thoughts, with your questions, if it's still down, if it's not working, or if it's working. And you can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic, so you can turn on the notification bell once you subscribe, so you can be notified on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.